Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 on Rocky Linux 9. The prerequisite is we must have database and Apache web server. Okay, first go to Zabbix official website by opening any web browser. Then go to zabbix.com. See here, Zabbix 7.2 is out now. Zabbix, click on Get Zabbix. Then click on Zabbix packages. See here, we have the Zabbix version 5.0 to 7.2. Okay, so select the version, select the OS distribution of Rocky Linux, then select the version 9 or 8. So I am on Rocky Linux 9. Let me open terminal and verify. More /etc os-release. See, I'm on Rocky Linux 9.5. Okay, so Control N. Next, select the Zabbix server components. I'm going to install server, frontend, and agent. Okay, then select the database. You can select either MySQL or PostgreSQL, but it supports. If you click on this question mark, see, it supports on Oracle or SQLite also. I have installed MySQL on this Rocky Linux server. If you want to install, then there is a link in the video description, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL 8.0.40 on Rocky Linux. Okay, then select the web server. See here we have two options: Apache web server, Nginx. Okay, so these are the options. See, the prerequisite MySQL I have already installed, MySQL 8.0.40, but I haven't installed web server. So go to the terminal. So install it by running the command sudo dnf install php-bcmath. This is the Apache web server application. Hit enter, type y, if you go up, see, this is the Apache web server version. Okay, so and these are all dependencies. Okay, type y and hit enter. Control A. Now verify the status of Apache server. Sudo systemctl status httpd. Hit enter. See, we have installed Apache service but not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start httpd. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Apache service is running. We have to enable. So Control L, just replace the status with enable. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Apache service is running and enabled. Q to kit. Control L. Next we have to install the PHP and its extensions. Okay, so command is, see, whatever the commands that I am executing, those are available in the video description. See, this file this command contains httpd. I am removing it because we have already installed Apache. Hit enter. See, it is going to install this PHP and its extensions, and this is the version numbers. Okay, and these are the version numbers. Type y and hit enter. Now check the status of sudo systemctl status php-fpm. Please type. Hit enter. See, it is not started. Start it. Hit enter. It is started. Also enable. Hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of this php-fpm. See, it is started and enabled. Okay, so all prerequisites matched. As I told you, I will keep all the comments in the video description. Even I will keep how to install MySQL 8.0.40 on Rocky Linux 9. That link also will be there in the video description. Now see, once again select the version, select OS distribution, OS version, Zabbix components, database MySQL, web server, Apache. Then based on this selection, here it will populate the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the Zabbix 7.2. I don't have anything, so start from this one, that is proceed with installing Zabbix repository. Copy it, go to the terminal, sudo, paste it, hit enter. Now run the dnf clean. Now sudo dnf clean all, hit enter. See, it removed 30 files. Now install the Zabbix server, frontend and agent. So copy this one, dnf up to enter. Copy it, then give the sudo, paste it, hit enter. Type by, see, it is going to install these components and also these dependencies. Type and hit enter. See the version, it is installing 7.2. Type and hit enter. See, installation is completed. Now Control L. Now next is C step is create initial database. See, first we have to connect to MySQL server, then we have to create database, then user, then we have to grant privileges to this user on this database. Then we have to set this global value to 1. Then we have to exit. Okay. Then run this step. Connect to MySQL. See, we have successfully connected MySQL server. And see here, version is 8.0.40. Select version. See, I have installed MySQL 8.0.40. Control L. Now copy these steps one by one. First it is going to create this database. Copy it. Before that, verify list of databases. See, these are the databases available. So create new one. It is success. See, new database Zabbix is created. Control L. Now create user. Notice here, this is the password. If you want to provide some other password, you can provide. Okay. That password you have to remember, which is required to configure and which is required further in this video. In this installation procedure. Hit enter. See, your password doesn't satisfy current policy requirements. So we have to give strong password. So I am giving caps P, hit enter. Even I have to give strong password. So caps P @ and then give 1, 2, 3. Hit enter. See, it is done. We have to remember this password. Now grant the privileges. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. I am going to save this password in text editor. Copy it, open new tab, paste here. So go to this tab, privileges granted. Now quit. Now we have to run. Now we have to import initial schema data. So copy this one to the end. copy it, paste it. Oh, sorry. So not copied, copy it, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password that we have set. See, now it is executing. See, it is done. Now connect to MySQL, -u root -p. Now go to Zabbix database. Show tables. See, it copied all the data. Okay. Exit. Anyway, no need to exit. Control L. Use MySQL. Now, after connecting, we have to run this command. So, hit enter. Quit. Now, next step is configure database for Zabbix server. So we have to go to this configuration file, copy this file with path, sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, go to the bottom until you get the DB password. Remove this hash, shift A, now give the password that we have set. Save the file, hit enter. Now we have to restart Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, HTTPD and php-fpm. So copy this one, sudo, then paste that one, hit enter. It is done. Now enable these services. Sudo, paste it, hit enter. Okay, Control L, everything is done. Now verify the status of Zabbix server. Sudo systemctl status Zabbix server. See, Zabbix server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control L. Now we have to connect to Zabbix UI web page. So copy this one, that is HTTP host, and paste that one. Instead of host, we have to give host name. See, this is the host name, that is localhost. Then give the localhost, or you can give the IP of this machine. See, this is the IP. Okay, you can give IP or loopback IP is also fine. Then hit enter. See, welcome to Zabbix 7.2. Click on next step. See, here all are okay, all green. Okay, so click on next step. See, check off prerequisites, all are green and okay. So click on next step. See, database type is MySQL. Database host name is, see, I have installed MySQL on this PC, this machine. So localhost is fine. Then port number 3306 is for MySQL. Database name Zabbix, username of same. Here we have to provide the password of the Zabbix user. Then click on next step. Not now. Then Zabbix server. We have installed Zabbix server on this PC. Then give the localhost. Then select the default time zone from this list. Then default theme. Then click on next step. See, this is the free installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. And see, this is the configuration file location. Then click on finish. Now we have to connect to Zabbix. username is caps ADMIN. If you give small a, it won't work. Okay, let me give small and we will see. And password is Zabbix. Zabbix is small case. Okay, click on sign in. This will throw error. Not now. Why? Because we have to give caps ADMIN, then small case letters of Zabbix. Click on sign in. Now we are able to log in. See here, Zabbix server is running and Zabbix server version is 7.2. and Zabbix server front-end version is 7.2.1. Still, if you want modify the password of the user, click on users, then click on users, then see here we have to click on user, then you have to click on change password. Even you can change the username. This is the name, this is the last name. Okay, then after changing you have to click on change password, then you have to provide current password, new password, again confirm the same, then you have to click on update. I am not going to do. Okay, see, if you want to go back to home, back dashboard, see we have dashboards, monitoring, services, inventory, reports, data collection, alerts and administration. Okay, in administration also we have different options. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 on Rocky Linux 9. For more Zabbix or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel.